one of the most outstanding conferences, not only here at ESMT, but much beyond. And it is because of you.
The DigitalFuture Summit actively seeks solutions in the pressing questions of tomorrow.
The European School of Management and Technology is one of the best schools in Berlin to bringing the best top talents together here.
It's really fun to see all these young people being so engaged and involved in their work. We designed something interactive which represents a real life situation at BVG. And this way we get in touch with the students, we can connect, and the students get a glimpse of what kind of problems are there out there in a public company like BVG, and that we also can offer an exciting workplace for them.
For us as Allianz Consulting, it's super significant because we get our talents, many of our talents are from ESMT. We are in the middle of the transformation of the whole group. We are supporting him as Allianz Consulting, our clients around the globe.
Most of the people we meet here already know Accenture, and that's why it's kind of like a home zone for us. And it's also about the spirit. The people are very engaged. I mean, I was studying at another university, right? And I was sometimes missing these connection and these networking events.
After 2 years of fully digital DFS formats, we are especially proud to build the first hybrid edition of the DFS in history. This means that we were able to build a digital event and also an on-site event. So we have 350 people joining us on campus for these both days and 650 people joining us online on Umbrella. So we have also a really high number of international people coming from China, from India, joining us to watch the DFS also on the streams.
It's about trying to find grads and interns for our next program. Our internship is brand new in the EMEA region, so we're really looking for the next generation of talent from Berlin.
Especially the food industry for us is so ever-changing right now. So it's important to also talk to the younger generation, if you will, that they identify coming really from a different angle.
Germany's labor market is absolutely depleted.
We are on the edge of crypto becoming mainstream.
Used cars gain increasingly in value.
First place goes to the blood.
The pitch competition is pretty cool and like a big push to our also mindset.
Speak to already big founders that have achieved a lot, get feedback from them. That was nice.
Basically, we connect talent to companies, and we do this in a very engaging way while we foster discussion about the digital future, so companies can on the one hand show how well they are taking on these kinds of challenges, and talents on the other hand can see what kind of solutions they can bring to the table. I think the special thing is that we see that over a broad range of participating partners, everybody is searching for the new digital innovation. There's so many outlook for new talent to join those kinds of companies.
What is the next big digital innovation that have either the potential to transform the finance sector?
I think it was an amazing networking event. I really met some great people here, had some super inspiring conversations, so that was totally worth it.
It's really fun here because we get to meet a lot of other students from the same industry, from the same field. So, exchanging the ideas, exchanging the experience.